we're using it for onboarding and what we call everboarding, which is continuous enablement on new products and new features that are coming out. Onboarding was one of our biggest challenges. We had multiple teams of the same organizations like pre-sales and CSMs that had spreadsheets of how to onboard your employees. Put them into a Mindtickle series or Mindtickle quick update to basically put a path in front of them to say, here's what we want you to do from an onboarding perspective, and here's how you're going to learn the products, features, and functionality in the most efficient way. What we're focused on is value selling. How much are you able to sell the value of the product as opposed to just pushing the product to a prospect or to a customer? So we look at how quickly you can get up to speed to do a demo, that not just a demo of the product, but a demo that meets a use case. So we have a certification test that all customer success managers and pre-sales engineers have to go through. We've seen a great success in how quickly they've been able to pass both of the professional certification and the admin certification, and we've seen a great increase in all of our new hires passing both of those exams rather quickly. The ramp-up time has decreased a lot because it's much more organized now. It's streamlined, and it's definitely a better approach to onboarding than the previous week. So we have it right now, it's a 12-week onboarding. What we've been seeing is people have been getting up to speed within like 8 weeks. So that we've been able to successfully drop it down about 4 weeks leveraging a Mindtickle. I think it's been very helpful. It gives us the ability to organize, put together, and have an actual process for onboarding and for everboarding, so it's been very successful for us.